Welcome to Future Wheels. Porsche is giving its all-electric Taycan a major update for 2027, and while the exterior looks almost unchanged, the real story is what's happening underneath the skin. One of the biggest changes is a brand new feature called eShift. For the first time, Porsche is adding simulated gear changes to the Taycan, allowing drivers to use paddle shifters to move through 8 virtual gears. The system even includes a virtual rev limiter, gear-specific torque effects, and enhanced electric sound to make the driving experience feel more engaging and emotional. Porsche has also made the larger Performance Battery Plus standard across the lineup. That means more usable battery capacity and improved driving range compared to previous entry-level models. The larger battery supports ultra-fast charging and helps keep the Taycan competitive in the growing luxury EV segment. Inside, the Taycan receives Porsche's new digital interaction infotainment system. Drivers get expanded Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, over-the-air software updates, customizable widgets, and a faster wireless charging pad with magnetic phone alignment. The updated Taycan lineup is available to order now, with deliveries expected to begin this fall. Pricing starts at around $114,000, reflecting the added technology and larger battery pack. So, what do you think about Porsche bringing virtual gear shifts to an electric sports sedan? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive news and reviews. Thanks for watching Future Wheels.